Is there any chance that I can put non-Spotify music to Spotify? I will teach you how. First, go to your Spotify app and look for these three dots above. And go to Edit and click Preferences. If you're already in the settings, scroll down and look for Local Files. First thing you want to do is to create a folder on your desktop with the music you want to put inside your Spotify. And let's go back to Spotify, and you want to add the source, then choose the folder with the music on it. And just turn this on. And there you go. Go to your library and look for the local files. And now, if you want to put in on your playlist, you can do so by just clicking the three dots and just add to playlist. And let's check if it's been added. Scroll down again and that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you out.